How to log into First Citizens Bank online banking. Open your preferred browser and go to www.google.com. In the search bar, type First Citizens Bank and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official First Citizens Bank website link. On the homepage, locate and click on the Login option. Under the Login section, select your login type. For this guide, we will select First Citizens Digital Banking. Enter your login ID in the provided field. Enter your password in the password field. If you're new and wish to register, click on Enroll Now to begin the enrollment process. Click on Forgot ID if you need to recover your login ID. Click on Forgot Password if you need to reset your password. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click Login to access your account. If this is your first time logging in, please click on First Time Login to get started.